Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss how to enter the purchase bill in NetSuite. To bill purchase orders, navigate to Transactions, Purchases, enter purchase orders, then select Lists. Select the purchase order you wish to bill. After being redirected to the purchase order, click the Bill button. In the bill form, choose the custom form you want to use. Enter the reference number. Ensure all information in the Main Page tab is entered correctly. You can modify it as needed. In the Expenses and Items tabs, you can adjust the amount if needed. In the Billing tab, I will select a term for my bill. You'll notice that the discount amount, discount date, and due date update automatically based on the selected term. You can also select Incoterm and Vendor Select as needed. In the Communications tab, you can check the To Be Printed box if you want to print the document and send it via email. Click Save to finalize the bill. A confirmation banner will appear stating, "Transaction has been successfully saved." In the purchase order, you'll notice that the status has been updated from pending billing to fully billed. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching.